If you've ever felt frustrated waiting for your WordPress website to load, or had visitors clicking away before your beautiful homepage even appears, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a simple process to drastically speed up your WordPress site, making it snappier, more efficient, and just a lot more pleasant for your visitors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to boost your website's speed and fix those slow loading issues, all with a free, trusted plugin. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, you'll see Plugins. Click on that and then go to Add New. Don't worry if you've never added a plugin before, WordPress makes this part straightforward. Now in the search bar at the top right, type in WP Optimize. What we're doing here is looking for a plugin that's designed specifically to clean up your website's database and streamline your site's performance, all in a couple of clicks. You should see WP Optimize Clean Compress Cache pop up near the top of your search results. Click Install now, and once that's done, it might take a few moments. Depending on your connection, hit Activate. By the way, installing a plugin like WP Optimize is very safe, and you can remove it anytime if you ever change your mind. After activation, WP Optimize is ready to go. In fact, the plugin comes with pre-selected core settings. That means the most important options for cleaning and speeding up your site are already chosen for you based on best practices. You don't need to be a technical expert or worry about digging into complicated menus. Think of it as handing your website a toolkit with exactly the right wrenches and screwdrivers right out of the box. However, if you're someone who likes a bit more control, you can always come back and tweak these settings later on as you get more comfortable. Now you might see some extra steps or suggestions from the plugin, but for our purpose today, you can safely skip all that for now. What we want to do is head straight to the database section of WP Optimize. You can usually find this within the plugin's own panel in your sidebar. Here, where the real magic happens, imagine your site's database as a storage room that accumulates clutter over time. Old drafts, trashed comments, revisions you no longer need, all that stuff adds up and slows your site down. WP Optimize helps you tidy it up in just a few clicks, so here's what you do. In the WP Optimize database screen, look for the Run All Selected Optimization button. Before you click it, take a quick glance at the options. By default, the plugin has checked what's safe and effective to clean. If you want to be extra cautious, you can uncheck anything you're unsure about, but honestly, the standard selections are totally fine for most people. Go ahead and click Run All Selected Optimization. The process might take a minute or two, especially if your site has been online for a while. You'll see the progress as WP Optimize works its cleanup magic. Don't worry if it takes a bit, just like tidying a messy garage. Sometimes the biggest impact comes from removing years of accumulated junk in one go. And that's it. Once complete, your website should already feel snappier, and your visitors will definitely notice the improved speed. You can repeat this process every few weeks, or whenever your site starts feeling sluggish again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and here's to your faster, happier website.